Logging placements in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to track which of your products are on tap or on the shelf at each account and how to retire one when it comes off. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM, Placements, from your dashboard. Placements track exactly which of your products are on tap or on the shelf at each account. Up top, I summarize how many are active, retired, and how many distinct SKUs are placed, with filters by source and status. To add a new one, click Add Placement, pick the account, then pick the product and where it's placed, a specific tap number or shelf section. Save it, and I'll show it on that account's placement list right away. If a product comes off tap or gets pulled from the shelf, find that placement and retire it instead of deleting it. So there's a history of what used to be there, and my cut sheet engine can recommend the SKU to that account again. This page is what tells you and your manager exactly what's poured or stocked where. It matters for restock timing and for knowing which accounts to prioritize when a new product launches.